Hello and welcome to our system tutorial. In this video I'll show you the installation of the X1JET HP MK3 Premium. The X1JET series are compact systems that can be installed without much effort. Visit our website for more information about the X1JET series and other Markoprint printing systems. And now let's start with the installation. First we remove the outer packaging. On the box you will find the article number, version and serial number of your system. Turn the box and open the lid. If you unfold the carton, you can remove the system from the protective foil. In this video we install the latest version of the X1JET HP MK3 Premium with additional Wi-Fi module for wireless communication. But the installation of the different X1JET HP MK3 versions is always the same. We show you the installation on our conveyor belt and use a separately available installation kit. All parts you need for the installation are included in this package. We start with the assembly of the pipe clamp. This should be installed at the location that ensure a vibration-free product handling. Push the holder of the X1JET HP MK3 Premium into the clamp and fix it. The installation pipe should always be installed at the right angle to the production line. As the line is not horizontal, the position needs to be adjusted to the belt. On the bottom of the X1JET HP MK3 Premium are 3 holes for the installation of the mounting rail. You will get the mounting rail with the additional installation kit. Mount the rail with the screws from the kit. Now you can attach the printer to the installation tube and fix it with a lock. The printer must be in one line with the belt. Connect the power supply. The system does not have to switch on. It starts automatically when the power supply is present. Insert the included USB stick into the system. This will transfer all data from the printer to the USB stick. Install our printer software iDesign on a PC or laptop. After you have started the program and put the USB stick into the PC, the system will be recognized automatically. Now you can see the settings, print images and the status. All changes can be transferred via USB stick. After inserting the USB stick into the system again, the settings will be transferred. Now we insert the cartridge in the system. With the HP Smart Card recognizing, all settings of the cartridge are made automatically. The installation is complete and the system can be used. If you have any further questions, please contact our local distributor or visit our website.